Greetings and namaste YouTube. I'm Eve with The Baby's Booty. Many of you know on this channel we do embroidery, vinyl, rhinestones, and sublimation. Well, we had a totally awesome company reach out to us to send us some sublimation blanks so that you guys can see some of the cool things that they offer in their online store. So I decided what we would do is an unboxing so that you could see exactly what was sent to us. So stay tuned and we'll crack this big old puppy open. We want to give a huge thank you to Conde Systems, dietrans.com, for sending us the awesomest sublimation gifts ever. And here's a list of their website showing the many different blanks that you can get. Also, Michelle at Conde wanted to give the Baby's Booty viewers a special offer. If you make a purchase and let them know that the Baby's Booty referred you to her, then you are welcome to take advantage of the second tier pricing. So you get awesome wholesale pricing based on sending a reference over from the Baby's Booty channel. So thank you guys and enjoy the video. All right, I'm not going to waste a lot of time. We're going to go ahead and dive into this box. I haven't opened it yet. The tape is still on it. So we're going to see exactly what was sent. They didn't tell me ahead of time. They just sent a message and said, hey, we're sending some stuff. Hope you like it. And go from there. So we are going to see what goodies we have in this box. Totally safe scissors. We're putting it off to the side and let's crack it open. I'm super excited. All right. So Conde Systems out of Alabama sent this package to us, and their website is dietrans.com, and they have tons of sublimation blanks that you can purchase from them. So let's see what sublimation blanks they sent to us. And again, that was dietrans.com, but the name of the company is Conde Systems. Woo! Cool beans. Yes. Oh, all right. So one of the first things that I saw right off the bat, potholders. Who doesn't like to cook? So we got a really awesome pot holder. We're going to sublimate this puppy. And let's see, what should we put on it? A Sir McQuacken's pot holder, possibly? Something to think about. But it's definitely going to be a matching set. So as you see, they do offer pot holders and oven mitts that go together, and you can sublimate on the both of them for a really thoughtful gift. So we will be doing a video sublimating on these. And cool beans, we have something that's going to make my son totally happy, and we have an Apple Watch band. I don't wear the Apple Watch, but my son swears by Apple. So we might make him a little gift. We'll see what we can come up with. So that's going to be a lot of fun. So they even have Apple Watch bands that you can sublimate. We have a tile, which this is something that I tried to do myself actually, and it did not work. I tried to take a tile and coat it myself and sublimate on it, and it was like, no, this isn't gonna work. So we have a tile, which is totally cute, and if I'm not mistaken, this is a 4x4 tile ceramic that we're going to sublimate and have some fun with. So excited about that. So you could even make a custom backsplash for your kitchen or your bathroom, or this could just be a tile that you could make coaster or something along those lines. We will figure out what we're going to do, and we're going to sublimate that. Now we have a car coaster. So this car coaster is the kind that goes down in the cup holder. and it absorbs the moisture, if I'm remembering. Yep, this is one of those stones that absorbs extra liquid that's down in your cup holders in the car. So this is something we'll be sublimating as well. So please be sure to drop in the comments below. You're seeing the things that are being unveiled out of this box. So if you have any ideas or any suggestions of something that you would like to see sublimated on any of these items, let me know what you think, what we should put on a car coaster. All right, even though I'm leaning towards Sir McQuackins because I got an idea for it. We'll see how that goes. Now, this is an ornament. So here is a, it's like a fiber board ornament. And so we can sublimate the white part on the front, and it comes with its red ribbon that we tie on it, and you would hang from a tree. So we're going to sublimate something totally awesome on this as well. Oh my gosh, I love these. A puzzle. Who doesn't like puzzle? Well, I know several people who probably wouldn't want a puzzle, but I love puzzles. I grew up doing puzzles from a very early age. So we got us a puzzle to do. I'm excited about that. So it doesn't say how many pieces it is, but I'm sure I could do the math real quick. But guess who hates math? Me. So we're going to do a puzzle. Not going to say how many pieces it is. We have a luggage tag. Ooh, this one's pretty because you can kind of like see through it. Neat. Oh, I love this. It's kind of like acrylic almost or something. So we got us a really cool luggage tag that we'll be doing. And look at the side of it. It is acrylic. Look at how the side is like clear. Isn't that neat? I'm excited because the only luggage tags I've done were white or aluminum. So this is going to be fun. Super excited for this one. So a luggage tag and oh, cool beans. We got us a photo slate. Isn't that neat? Oh my gosh. This one's going to be real fun. So let me show you. Oh, these are always pretty when I see them online. So it comes with its little feet to hold it up. So you put these down and of course balance the slate in it. Oop, come on. Don't be shy. We'll have fun. Isn't that neat? That's pretty. So we'll be putting a really nice picture on here. I may have to do a gift for Mr. Lowry and put him a picture on there. Give my husband a present. I don't know. We'll figure that out. Or my parents or something. I think this is going to be a really nice present. So I'm excited about that. I'm going to have to think on this one. What do y'all think we should do with the slate? Should it be a gift to my parents or a gift to the honey? Let me know what you think and we will make a decision. So I'm going to put the feet back in the box. Cool. This is fun. I like goodies. So I'm going to set this right here because that's a little heavier than the other stuff. Ooh, yes. Uh-oh, hope I didn't scare my dog. My big dog, my big boy. We have us a mug with a black handle. I think that's a black handle. Let's see. Yes. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? This is a 15-ounce mug too. This is the big one. So I think we may have to do us a Sir McQuackins mug out of this one for sure. This is a nice mug. So I'm excited to do that. We like doing mugs around here. Matter of fact, I just got an order. Just picked it up today. 250 mugs. So I'm going to be really busy doing mugs. So we are going to wrap that right on back up because we don't want nothing to happen to that. I'm excited. I'm gonna set that right there. And now this is Sublimation film sleeve. Oh my gosh. Sublimation film sleeve. So The Sublimation Shrink Film Sleeve, from what I'm understanding and what I've seen, it's a sleeve that you put around something that's hard to shape, you know, like maybe a shot glass or something along those lines, and you stick it in the sleeve. And this is the part that I don't know yet. You sublimate by using the sleeve because it shrinks around the item and allows you to sublimate on the item. Now, do you print the item on this or not? I don't know yet. So we're going to check out the instructions as soon as the bag is unpacked. So we're going to investigate something cool and new on our channel with some sub sleeves. Cool. Oh, that's neat. Oh, this is looks like one of those message boards. Look, it's got the, what am I thinking? I think my dog needs to hush, or what am I saying? That's what this thing says. What am I saying? My dog needs to hush. So this is like a message board. I'm sure, like dry erase type situation, but you can sublimate on it first and make it really cool and decorate it the way you want. And we can hang this in the new revamped Baby's Booty Studio because we are in the process of remodeling. So I'm actually gonna set that right here because I'm running out of room. We got so much stuff. I'm running out of room over here. Okay. Ooh, this is pretty. Oh man, where's the oh, this is so pretty, y'all. Oh my gosh. It's beveled glass. So this is a picture frame or a picture. So you would put a picture on this with the beveled glass. This is going to be gorgeous. I'm super excited about this. So we will be finding a really nice picture to put on here and then get that mounted somewhere because that was nice. All right, and I love these, and I showed y'all some the other day, but this one's bigger. So we got us a glass cutting board. This is pretty. You know, I'm excited to show y'all how to sublimate this because it was a lot of fun sublimating it when I did the ones last week. So you get to see it step by step. And this, they sent the feet to go with it. So excited about that. So we got us a cutting board. Yes! And one more thing. We have, ooh, if this is what I think it is, I'm super excited. It sure is. Yay! Oh man, somebody knew how to tickle my fancy. A tumbler. See, I got to make one for Mr. Laurie and I didn't have one. So now we got us a tumbler. So we will sublimate a tumbler. Ooh, that's pretty. That gloss. Oh man, y'all, come on. Y'all gotta help me come up with something good to put on this. I'm really excited about our tumbler. Yes, y'all, yes. How fun is that? So you guys, please, in the comments, give a hearty thank you to Condé Systems for being so kind to send us this really cool stuff that we will be sublimating on the Baby's Booty channel. And we're going to pick probably like 3 to do at a time and have some fun sublimating. Or would you rather sublimate live? Let me know what you think. Should we sublimate in a video or should we sublimate live? You let me know, weigh in your opinion, and we will make a decision and I'll let you guys know. So I appreciate you joining me for this totally awesome unboxing. Thank you again to Conde Systems for sending us some really awesome sublimation blanks. We're going to have a lot of fun figuring out, number 1, what we're going to put on it, and number 2, showing you guys exactly how to sublimate these items so that you can use them with your business to make money, or with the holidays coming up, make some awesome gifts for your family and friends. So I look forward to however we decide to sublimate. We may pick some to sublimate live and then do some on a video, but either way, we will be sharing these sublimation tips and tricks with you guys and letting you see exactly how the sublimation process works with each and every one of these items. So thank you for joining me today. I look forward to seeing you again the next time, and until the next time we see you, I would say have happy embroidering, but this time I'm going to say happy sublimating. We'll figure out a better thing to say later. Thanks, and you guys have a great day. Bye.